Hi, Watchmaniacs! Today we are going to see a method to polish acrylic watch crystals or plexiglass, which is a plastic material, not a mineral crystal. As we can see, it has a few scratches, some dip. I see it's like a crack on the glass. It seems like a small fracture. When we are going to polish it, there is a very quick polishing process that uses a rotary tool, like Dremel. In this case, is a Black& Decker. The most important part is that it has to have very low revolutions. As you can see, it can be adjusted to very low revolutions, which is what is needed for this to polish this plexiglass. Particularly, these acrylic watch crystals can burn very easily, so you have to take care with the speed and the force when you're polishing it. And here I have a felt disc, and what I do is use an oil, any brand or oil, and I put a needle of a syringe on the top of the bottle. What I do next is to proceed to add oil, not too much, just one pass. And there are several options to use. For example, we have here a toothpaste. It is recommended to use a whitening toothpaste like this because whitening toothpaste have sound-like particles, which is precisely what helps to polish the teeth because it has sand particles. It's not so advisable for the teeth because it destroys the teeth. But for this topic, it is excellent. There are another type of paste. This one is for polishing metals and is more efficient. There are several colors depending on the need for polishing. This white is a little less strong than the red one. I'm going to use the red one. I don't put here with the rotary tool rotating. I just put in this way because it splashes on the beginning. I have a container or in a bag without going to grab the bag or in a bin. What I do is activate it for the first time. Then, so for example, there I'm going to activate it so at the maximum speed so that I release all the excess particles, as you can see. Yeah, there I have the excess particles. And there I do proceed to polish. It has always to be at the minimum revolutions. And I have to watch the temperature of, of the acrylic crystal so that it doesn't burn. They burn very easily. It's good that before they do that you when you do it, make some test. We make it in small circles. Don't apply any pressure on the crystal. You just polish with the abrasion of the paste. From time to time, you must touch the crystal with your finger to feel the temperature. If it's too hot, you have to stop and let it cool with the air. Don't apply water or alcohol because it will crack immediately and you ruin the crystal. I use oil instead of water as the medium for the compound because the water evaporates very easily. So after it gets hot, you just obtain is dust, and the oil stays warmer than the water. The water gets hot more uh, fast. Let's see how we are doing. We are just going to wipe it with a cloth, and look, as you can see, most of the minimal scratches have already disappeared or come out. Quite a few have come out, however, I see that it looks like cracks, and when there are cracks, there is absolutely nothing to do. It seems that here we have a crack. Once the scratches are gone, when there is a crack, there is nothing to do. But for educational purposes, I'm going to continue doing the test, the exercise. I'm going to apply a little more polishing. 3 Doritos later. Every time you apply the oil and paste mix, remember to turn on your rotary tool at the maximum speed into the bin. Otherwise, you will split the mix everywhere and maybe your wife will scold you. Maybe spank you. So take care of this. I have used other alternatives, such as powdered cerium oxide. However, despite the fact that safety sheets indicate that there is virtually no risk, I have personally suffered some conditions such as irritation of the eyes and the skin and respiratory problems. So if you use cerium oxide, you should use protective items like gloves and masks. There is also a commercial product called Polywatch to polish plastic crystals and glass polish for mineral crystals by the same brand. Polywatch is a little more effective at whitening toothpaste, but of course it's more expensive. But you save time and get a little better results. Not a big difference. I have never tried the glass mineral polish, from that brand, and the method I am showing in this video is not much effective for mineral glasses. You should use sandpapers or a tabletop buffing motor with polishing compounds like the ones I use here, but it's more exhausting. Besides, the crystal glasses are cheap, so sometimes it, it's easier to buy them. You can see the red traces inside the scratches, which make it easy to know which area is missing more polish. I am also going to proceed to add a little toothpaste, whitening toothpaste. This is a little softer than the polishing paste, always in circles. I'm going to add a little more oil. When you feel that it is a little forced, you have to add oil again on the disc and add the toothpaste or the um, polishing paste. Well, I'm going to do another pass, but after polishing, you can see that it was indeed already cracked and that cracks doesn't come out. Just I'm going to continue for educational purposes. At least we will able to see that the small scratches come out, but the deep scratches doesn't come easily. So you have to put more time polishing uh, to get more flat the crystal. It's getting hot, so I'm going to cool down for a moment. 3 Doritos later. Well, here we can see the results are that all of the minimal scratches have come down. The system is quite effective, except obviously when there are some very deep scratches or cracks. Okay, we are going to put the movement to see how it progresses. If you invest more time, you can get better results. We can see that it improved a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos. See you soon. Thank you.